Have you ever heard of an economy being taxed into prosperity? I haven't.
The United States has risen from the depths of recession.
In 2016, Tennessee had a $2 billion surplus. How do they do that? They have no income tax. They have low sales tax. How do they do that?
The Laffer Curve is about the most recognizable economics graph of modern history.
I mean, even the people who hate it call it that. Why do they hate it? Because it thwarts them from taking control of your lives.
The Keynesians say the government drives the economy. Arthur says, no, private sector drives the economy. And inside that framework, incentives matter.
Every economist understands the Laffer Curve. They just didn't use it. If you tax people who work and you pay people who don't work, you're going to get a lot of people not working.
What you just did was explain human nature, right? And if you can understand human nature, you can understand economics.
That's it.
Art's impact on economics was enormous.
I mean, Reagan cut the highest tax rate from 70% down to 28%. We made ourselves a production haven for the world.
It is time to reawaken this industrial giant, to get government back within its means, and to lighten our punitive tax burden.
The core principle of Arthur Laffer's economics is that the American economy will always respond stupendously to freedom.
Whether we call it economics or not, we're making economic decisions.
Markets are people, and that's what gets lost sight of.
Remove the impediments in the economy and you will see the economy improving itself. The clothes you wear, the houses you build, the roads you drive. Without economics, none of this would exist.
Arthur revolutionized economics.
There's no place in America that couldn't benefit from Laffer policies.
This is not the end of America. These are the seeds to get the regrowth of America. And it's all supply-side economics. It's the way the world works.